the blue. B is for bus, taking me and you. C is for concrete mixer, spinning round and round. D is for delivery van, bringing goods to town. From A to Z, let's name them all. Vehicles are cool, big and small, on the road, in the sky, or on the sea. Let's explore them joyfully. E is for excavator, digging deep and wide. F is for fire truck, with its siren loud outside. G is for garbage truck, cleaning every street. H is for helicopter, flying high and neat. From A to Z, let's name them all. Vehicles are cool, big and small, on the road, in the sky, or on the sea. Let's explore them joyfully. I is for ice cream truck, jingling its tune. J is for Jeep, off-roading by the dune. K is for kite, buggy, rolling with the breeze. L is for limousine, bringing style with ease. From A to Z, let's name them all. Vehicles are cool, big and small, on the road, in the sky, or on the sea. Let's explore them joyfully. M is for minivan, perfect for the ride. N is for narrow boat, floating on the tide. O is for open top car, feeling the fresh air. P is for police bike, zooming everywhere. From A to Z, let's name them all. Vehicles are cool, big and small, on the road, in the sky, or on the sea. Let's explore them joyfully. Q is for quad bike, on a muddy trail. R is for race car, speeding without fail. S is for scooter, zipping all around. T is for tank, heavy and profound. From A to Z, let's name them all. Vehicles are cool, big and small, on the road, in the sky, or on the sea. Let's explore them joyfully. U is for unicycle, balancing with skill. V is for van, traveling up the hill. W is for water tanker, carrying life's need. X is for X-cab, for a fast speed deed. Y is for yacht, gliding on the waves. Z is for zipper car, through the tunnel it paves. We've sung them all, vehicles A to Z. Let's sing it again with glee. From airplane to zipper car, vehicles take us near and far. Let's sing this tune so loud and bright, learning vehicles day and night.